Okay, here's your problem. You want to move, but you're stuck. You can't find a house in Collegeville or Harleysville because the market is empty. And you're terrified that if you sell your house first, you'll be living in a hotel for 6 months. In 2026, the home sale contingency is a deal killer. Here's exactly how my clients are buying their next home before they even list their current one. Option number one, the bridge loan versus the HELOC. The most common way is tapping into the equity that you've already built over the last 5 years. The HELOC. If you have 20% or more equity, you can open a home equity line of credit now while you're still living there. Use that cash for your down payment on the new place. Or the bridge loan is a short term financing, usually 6 to 12 months, that bridges the gap. It's slightly more expensive than a HELOC, but it's a one time tool that's designed specifically for this transition. It's how you walk into a $700,000 listing in 19426 and make an offer that isn't contingent upon your house selling. Option number two is the buy before you sell programs. There are new institutional programs in Pennsylvania where a company will actually back your offer with cash. They guarantee the purchase of your next home, giving you the power of a cash buyer. Once you move into the new house, they help you prep and sell your old one. You avoid the double move, the storage units, and the stress of a synchronized closing. Option number three is the recast, the secret move. This is the most underused move in real estate. You buy the new house with a low down payment, like 5% conventional. Then, once your old house sells, you get that big check. You don't just pay down the mortgage, you ask the bank for a recast. They take that lump sum and they apply it to your principal and recalculate your monthly payment. It gets you the low monthly payment of a 20% down deal without needing the cash up front. Don't let the move paralyze you. The market is too fast for old school contingencies. Whether it's a bridge, a HELOC, or a recast, you need the right math before you start shopping. Want to see which buy before you sell strategy fits your equity? Head to sellrealestatepa.com and let's run the numbers.